Hey guys, this is Franklin. So in this video, we are gonna see about solid creations. Here it is. Let's maximize this perspective view and drag this to the viewport here. Here we have some solid shapes. The first one is box. Just click on this. First, you need to place a first corner of a base, then the second corner and the height. Let's make it as a shaded view. So we have created a box. Just click on this. First give a first corner, then the second corner and the height. You can give the value just first corner, enter the value like I'm gonna give 20, enter. Then the width will be 50, enter, and the height will be 40. If you wanted to give a dimension for a box, you can give it like this. Also, you can create a box using these options: a diagonal, 3-point, vertical, center. For example, I'm gonna click on this vertical. So we need to start off an edge, and like this we can create a vertical box. And let's see the center. Just click on the center. If you create a box using center, it will create from a center point. And same like this, you can create a cylinder, base of the cylinder and the height. And if you wanted to create an open cylinder, just click on the cylinder and then turn the solid to no. Then click on the base and the radius, then the height. Now we have the open cylinder. Same like this, we can create a sphere and an ellipsoid and also cone. These all are the same, like just click and drag kind of work. Then here we have a pipe. This is an interesting one. Let's delete all this, and first I'm gonna draw a line. Then modify the curve using this control point. Okay, now we have a curve like this. Now click on this pipe. First we need to select the rail. Just select this rail, and then we need to give the start radius, which is I'm gonna give 0.5. It's no 0.5 is way smaller. I'm gonna give 3. 3 is fine. Enter, and then you need to give the end radius. Like end radius is also 3. 3, enter. Then again enter. It will create a pipe around this curve. And one more time I'm gonna do this. Just click on this pipe, and first we need to select the rail, and start radius this time I'm gonna give 2, and the end radius I'm gonna give 6. Enter, and again enter. Now you can see the difference. Here I changed the radius size for the start point and the end point. And also you can give multiple radius on the curve. Let me show you. Again, type pipe. You can type pipe command, or else you can choose it from here and just select the rail. And start radius I'm gonna give 3, and the end radius is also 3, and I want to give another radius right here. Just click on this area and give a value. For this I'm gonna give 8. Enter, and again enter. It will create like this. Just play with it. Now you can see here the end, it has a flat surface. If you want to have a rounded surface, then you need to use this pipe command, like pipe rounded caps. Just click on this, select the rail and give the start radius and also the end radius. If you see here, it will have the rounded caps like here. Before we have a flat surface, now we have a rounded surface, rounded caps. Okay, that's it for today guys. I'll see you on the next video.